So in this video we will see that how we can run our SOQL query inside VS Code, okay, and how we can create our SOQL query inside VS Code and we can save it for future purpose, and how we can export our data. After running our query we can export our data in CSV and JSON format. So let's start. So this is a sample project, okay, that I created with manifest file. Okay, so once after you created a project with manifest file, you will see script folder here. Okay, so some things are already there that you can use. So for example, account, let me delete these things first. Okay, so for example, this is my query. Okay, select id comma name from account. I want to fetch all the accounts from my org. So this my org is already connected. Okay, so to run the query you should install SOQL Builder extension in your VS Code. Okay, so as you can see here, SOQL, this SOQL is the SOQL Builder extension. Okay, so what you need to do to create your own query, just right click on it and open with and click on SOQL Builder. So you can see here the object name and you can search its fields. Okay, so for example I will select active also, so it will be reflected here. Okay, then you can filter also here, then you can give order by also, then ascending or descending, and limit also you can give here. Okay, so let me just run this query. So as you can see, all the records are already written here. Okay, so if I want to export the data in CSV or JSON file, I just need to click on this and then you just click on save, so it will save here. So if you want JSON format, then just click on it and save it. So once you will click here, you see CSV format is here and JSON format is here. So just like that you can create your own query also. For example, I want to fetch contact data. So just type your file, then right click, open with SOQL Builder, search your object as contact. Okay, then search your field, first name, that's it. Control S, run your query. You can see all the contacts are written already. Okay, export in CSV, export in JSON. Okay, so I just see here. JSON file is here, CSV is here. So that's how you can run your SOQL query using SOQL Builder extension. Okay, thank you so much.